Cold open. The digital world is transforming, and so is the way we create and monetize content. Let's delve into the realm of artificial intelligence tools that are changing the game for YouTube content creators. First up, TubeBuddy. This browser extension uses AI to analyze your YouTube channel, providing insights to optimize your content, and yes, boost your revenue. It's like having a digital assistant at your fingertips. Next, we have Pex. This AI tool helps creators track the use of their content across the web, ensuring they're compensated for every view. Then there's Lumen 5, an AI-driven video creation platform. It enables creators to transform text into engaging video content, freeing up time to focus on what they do best: creating. Lastly, VidIQ. This tool uses AI to provide detailed analytics and SEO recommendations. With VidIQ, your content gets in front of the right eyes, increasing views and ultimately your earnings. Remember, these tools are just a starting point. The future of AI and content creation is vast and ever evolving, so stay on your toes, creators.